Hi, this is your Maryland PTA Membership Chair, Paul Geller, coming to you from Annapolis and the actual chamber where the House of Delegates sits. The reason why I'm here is to show you the power of PTA membership and advocacy in action. For a lot of people, it's a very abstract thought, thinking if I join my local PTA, something will happen that's magical, that will help my school, that will help my community. But I can tell you from firsthand experience, this is all possible thanks to PTA. 3.5 years ago, when I got my start as a local PTA leader, all I could tell you is I had a dream about getting more advocacy out there on behalf of my little school, and possibly even getting a chance to meet some of the elected officials along the way who actually help make decisions based on what our students need and what our schools need, both in our local area, in our county, and statewide. Well, I can tell you that just 3.5 years later, all that has happened and then some, and it's all thanks to PTA. So one of my tips to you is going to be, as a local PTA leader, as a membership leader at your school, or as one of the most important people on the team, a PTA member. You too can make the magic happen at this level. It really is possible. Let me give you another quick example of something that happened here that is magical and that's helped so many people. For many years, many schools around the state have needed additional funding in order to fund construction projects, also known as CIP projects, Capital Improvements Program projects. Well, over the past 3 years, I've had the honor to testify 3+ times just to House of Delegates committees, as well as 2+ times to Senate committees advocating for these funds. Now, I want you to know very clearly, I'm no different than you. In many ways, you're probably more experienced than I am. I'm merely a stay-at-home dad who's trying to do right by my kids. However, if I can make a difference up here, you can make a difference too. This is your state house here, and your state officials, your delegates, and your senators do want to hear from you. And when you do reach out to them, I advise you to do it in one of a few ways. First of all, it's always helpful to write a friendly note to them, handwritten note, telling them that you appreciate what they're doing for you and you have a specific issue that you would like them to help you address. Second of all, if you have to reach out to them via email, do so very concisely, get right to the point, and thank them for their time. It's always better to go the handwritten route. I had the opportunity to interview a distinguished state senator last year for a program, and I asked her, how many handwritten notes do you receive a year? Her answer, 3 to 5 a year. So if you write a handwritten note, chances are you will get a response and you will get it read. Well, I hope you think about some of the many advocacy opportunities available to you in both PTA and in your own private life. It really is that easy to come up here to Annapolis, to testify to a committee, and even to sit in on a House of Delegates hearing. Thank you very much for watching.